Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Simplified. Today, we're tackling something super useful for all you Chromebook users out there. How to turn on developer mode in 2025. This mode unlocks advanced features, like installing other operating systems or tweaking settings, but fair warning, it's not without risks. It can wipe your data and even void your warranty, so make sure to back up everything first. Let's dive in step by step so you can do this safely and easily. First things first, back up your data. Go to your Chromebook settings, head to Advanced, under the main menu, and look for the backup options. Sync your files to Google Drive or an external drive. This is crucial because enabling developer mode will erase everything on your device. Trust me, you don't want to skip this. Once you're backed up, power off your Chromebook completely. Now, to enter recovery mode, press and hold the ESC and refresh keys simultaneously, then press the power button. Your Chromebook should boot into a screen with a yellow exclamation mark. On that screen, press Ctrl+D to start the developer mode process. You'll see a warning about potential risks. Read it carefully and press Enter to continue. The device will then reset and might take a few minutes to prepare. You'll need to wait through a full OS verification disablement. After that, your Chromebook will restart automatically. When it does, it might ask you to set it up again, just like when you first got it. Go through the initial setup, and voila, you're in developer mode. Now, you can access developer tools by going to the Chrome OS settings and enabling the necessary flags. Remember, while developer mode is powerful, use it wisely. It's great for customization, but it exposes your device to security risks. If you're new to this, stick to safe tweaks and always double-check online resources. Thanks for watching, folks. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and keep exploring. See you in the next video.